Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom go down the drain, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to become wasted, redundant, or useless. She is a renowned public speaker for mental health. At one point, my life was going down the drain. It was a long journey, but I got back on my feet and I'm here today to tell the tale. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The student is upset when they accidentally broke their project. When my science project dropped and broke, I thought, great, all that hard work down the drain. Another weekend, another night on the town for him. Every weekend I go to the pub, and all my money goes down the drain. The political party's campaign didn't go very well. After the last public appearance, the whole campaign went down the drain. Here are some further examples for professional situations. He's not happy about how the meeting went. During the meeting, all my great ideas went down the drain, as people suggested them before I got a chance. The marketing department planned their next move. If we don't have a great campaign, all of our advertising budget might as well go down the drain. She had a 3-month trial in a company, but ended up showing up late too many times. I messed up the trial and the opportunity, and now it's down the drain. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.